What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a created player to your roster in Madden NFL 26. Here's how it works. Start by going into the creation center. From there, open the players and uniform section and choose create a player. I'm not going to change every detail right now. The only thing that really matter at this stage are the position and the team. You'll notice the team option is grayed out. If you wanna assign a specific team to your player, you first need to change your favorite team in the settings. Once you do that, the game will automatically use that team for your created player. After setting the essentials, save your player and go back to the main menu. Now head into the creation center again and open edit rosters. From there, select order depth chart. You might need to switch between teams or positions here. Use L2 or the left trigger to change the team and R2 or the right trigger to switch positions. In my case, since I created a quarterback, the position is already set correctly. Find your created player in the depth chart list and move them into the first slot. Once they are in that top spot, you are all set. Your created player should now appear in the roster, and that's it. You are done. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.